In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off snap to grid in Adobe Illustrator. If objects in Illustrator keep jumping into place when you move them, the snap to grid setting is probably turned on. This feature can be helpful when you want precise alignment based on a grid, but it can also make it harder to place elements freely. So if you want smoother, more flexible movement while designing, turning this option off is a quick fix. To begin, look at the top of the Illustrator window and click on View. This menu contains several display and alignment options, including settings that affect how objects behave when you drag or position them on the artboard. If you're not sure why your shapes or text are locking into certain positions, this is a good place to check. Once the View menu opens, look through the drop-down options until you find Snap to Grid. This is the setting that causes objects to align automatically with the document's grid spacing. In many cases, it may already be enabled without you realizing it, especially if movement feels stiff or restricted. Now click on Snap to Grid to turn it off. This action toggles the setting, so if it was active, clicking it once will disable it. You don't need to open any extra panels or confirm anything in a separate window. It's a very quick adjustment, and you can change it back later the same way if you ever need it again. After you click it, check the menu item one more time. The check mark next to Snap to Grid should disappear. That missing check mark is your confirmation that the feature has been turned off successfully. Once it's gone, you should be able to move objects more freely around your artboard without them snapping into grid-based positions. If you still notice unusual snapping behavior after turning this off, keep in mind that Illustrator also has other snapping options, so it's worth checking whether a different alignment feature is affecting movement. But for grid snapping specifically, removing that check mark is the key step. And that's all there is to it. Open the View menu, find Snap to Grid, click it to disable it, and make sure the check mark disappears. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference when you need more control over object placement in Adobe Illustrator.